The truth is, I don't regret it because there are certain lessons only time can teach me, and I had to. It's a journey that I had to take on. I had to. Even during it, I wouldn't know how the end would be. I didn't know how the person would be. But they said the same person you marry is not the same person you divorce. That came from a divorce lie, and it's so true. But I am done.
Some people think when a chapter ends, your heart must stay broken forever. But sometimes walking away is the first step toward truth. No bitterness, no revenge, just wisdom. I walked through fire with a silent heart, carry the weight when the world fell apart. People talk, but they never knew all the nights I cried when the sky turned blue. Tried to build love on a broken ground, smiled outside while my soul broke down. But every storm that tried to bury me only showed the woman I'm meant to be. No shame in the road I traveled through. Every scar just showed me the truth. I got no regret in my soul tonight. Every wrong turn brought me to the light. If love comes again, I will open my heart, but only if the reason is true from the start. No more chains, no more disguise, no more tears behind my eyes. And if I marry again someday, it will be for love, not pain, not escape. They say a woman should stay and fight, even when the love don't feel right. But strength ain't silence, strength ain't fear. Sometimes courage means walking clear. I learned that love ain't control or pride. It ain't a cage where your dreams must hide. A promise should feel like peaceful air, not heavy shadows everywhere. And I forgive what I can't undo, but I won't go back to what I outgrew. I got no regret in my soul tonight. Every wrong turn brought me to the light. If love comes again, I will open my heart, but only if the reason is true from the start. No more chains, no more disguise, no more tears behind my eyes. And if I marry again someday, it will be for love, not pain, not escape. I don't hate the past, it helped me see the kind of love that's meant for me. Not for status, not for show, just two hearts that truly grow. I got no regret in my soul tonight. Every lesson made my spirit rise. If love returns and calls my name, it will be honest, not a game. No more lies to hide the truth, no more fear of losing youth. And if I marry again someday, it will be for love, the right way. No regret, only wisdom and the courage to love again.